Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a golf cart motor. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench set, a floor jack, and safety glasses. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the main battery pack before starting any work. Once the power is off, carefully lift your golf cart using the jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. This provides a stable and safe working environment for the next steps. Now, let's remove the old motor. Begin by clearly labeling and disconnecting all electrical wires connected to the motor terminals. This prevents confusion during reinstallation. Next, locate and remove the bolts that secure the motor to the transaxle. There are typically 3 or 4 bolts. Once these are out, carefully slide the old motor straight out from its mounting position, being mindful of its weight. With the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully lift the new motor and align its splines with the transaxle input shaft. Gently push it into place. Reinstall the mounting bolts, tightening them securely to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, reconnect all the electrical wires to their corresponding terminals, using your labels as a guide. Double-check that all connections are tight and properly insulated for optimal performance. You're almost done. Carefully lower the golf cart back to the ground. Reconnect the main battery pack terminals, ensuring they are tight. Before taking a full ride, test the golf cart in a safe, open area at a slow speed. Listen for any unusual noises or vibrations. Gradually increase speed, checking for smooth acceleration and proper braking. If everything feels right, you've successfully replaced your golf cart motor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.